Good day, welcome to Victory. This way. I play the bass for the music ministry, and sometimes I would think of it as a small role, quite insignificant. When you see people are worshiping God, you just know that the impact that you're placing in these lives is really huge. It doesn't even compare to what you can imagine.
I believe that each one of us, we are giving gifts and skills, and God really purposely gave that so we could use it to glorify His name.
For me, it really means doing whatever you can to actually imparting God to them.
God can use you in that skills and gift na makapag-encourage ng ibang tao na mas mag-grow sila kay God. You just need a heart to serve God.
What keeps me motivated is I feel useful and very, very productive, and that I really have a purpose, that I'm part of something very, very big.
I see it as a reward that God gives us. So if we do something good for others, God gives us a reward, and that's true fulfillment, the joy that you feel after you've done something.
Pag nandun kayo, magkakasama kayo, ginaguard yung isa't isa, nagkikare kayo sa isa't isa, hindi nyo lang pinag-uusapan yung mga task at na dapat yung ma-accomplish, pero also na sinishare nyo rin yung mga nararanasan mo everyday para ma-encourage yung iba.
If I need someone to pray for me or to at least encourage me, I usually run to these people first. The community that I found in the music team really served as a second family to me.
After rehearsals or after services, you get to hang out with these people and really do fun stuff.
That's the time na mas nag-grow yung faith ko kay God. If I continue to rely on my own abilities, talagang walang mangyari kasi parang medyo impossible, pero God can do impossible things.
I've found a lot of mentors. It really helped me a lot in my relationship as well with God.
It causes me to always rely on God. You really find out and you discover that without God, you really can't do anything.
We actually rise up, volunteer as a lifestyle to volunteers, because we really envision that every person should experience volunteerism so that they can see what they can actually impart.
Yung at the end of the day, marirealize mo na you were doing simple things, pero makita mo maraming people na nasisave, maraming people na nagsisurrender ng life nila kay God dahil sa ginagawa nyo at dahil na-experience nila si God mismo sa mga services natin.
Thank you for coming to Victory. See you next time.